The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than just a classic car, it's an icon that represents the golden era of American automotive design. Known for its bold styling, innovative engineering, and lasting influence, the 55 Bel Air quickly became a symbol of 1950s culture and the rise of post-war car enthusiasm in America. One of the standout features of the 1955 Bel Air was its new shoebox design, which gave it a lower, wider stance compared to previous models. This design not only looked sleek but also improved handling and road stability. The Bel Air came in a variety of body styles, including the two-door hardtop, four-door sedan, convertible, and station wagon, giving buyers plenty of options to suit their lifestyle. Under the hood, Chevrolet offered several engine options. The base engine was a 235 cubic inch inline-six, which provided reliable performance for everyday driving. But the real excitement came with the optional V8 engine, Chevrolet's first small-block 265 cubic inch V8. This engine was revolutionary at the time, offering strong performance, smoother acceleration, and the kind of sound that instantly captured the hearts of car enthusiasts. The combination of power and affordability made the Bel Air a favorite among young drivers and families alike. The interior of the Bel Air was just as impressive as its exterior. With a focus on comfort and style, it featured a wraparound dashboard, two-tone upholstery, and plenty of chrome accents. The attention to detail gave the cabin a modern, upscale feel that set it apart from other cars in its class. Innovations like the optional power windows, air conditioning, and AM radio made it a car that blended practicality with luxury. Safety and reliability were also important aspects of the 1955 Bel Air. Chevrolet reinforced the frame and body structure to provide better crash protection, and the car's brakes and suspension systems were improved for a smoother, more controlled ride. These upgrades contributed to the car's reputation as a dependable vehicle that drivers could enjoy for years. The impact of the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air extended far beyond its initial production. It became a favorite among hot rod enthusiasts, collectors, and classic car restorers, thanks to its timeless design and versatility. Even today, the 55 Bel Air is celebrated at car shows, in movies, and among classic car communities worldwide. Its combination of style, performance, and nostalgia makes it a true icon of automotive history. In short, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air represents the perfect blend of design innovation, engineering excellence, and cultural significance. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates automotive history, the Bel Air offers a glimpse into a time when cars were more than just transportation, they were a statement. Owning or even just seeing a 55 Bel Air is like taking a ride back to the vibrant, optimistic era of the 1950s.